Hello. I want to share with you how the session's gone so far. We're about halfway through the 2011 session, and it has been a historical session in the fact that the House is tied 30-30. A lot of us know that. We started with a co-governance model led by Speaker Roblin and House Speaker Hanna. That model has worked really well so far. We have co-chairs on each committee from each party, and they're working together. Now, the things that we've gotten accomplished that Oregonians, I believe, could be proud of is obviously we came here with a jobs and reform agenda. And in the job area, we've passed three, I think, important pieces of legislation that impacts the average Oregonian. One is we passed the Reconnect bill, which actually connects the state tax code up to the federal tax code. What's that do? It creates capital in our system that businesses and individuals will have in their hands today to go out and invest and create a job and hire somebody and put somebody to work instead of that money flowing into other places in state government. So that's a really good thing, and it'll help businesses, give businesses the extra capital they need during these difficult times. Second thing that we've passed is an extension of the enterprise zones. Through the year 2025, we've extended enterprise zones in the state of Oregon. Really important to rural areas where they can have these particular areas in their communities that incentivize businesses to come there and create jobs, and as a result of creating those jobs, they get rewarded for creating those jobs. Very important piece of legislation in the long-term health for Oregon jobs. And then the third thing that we've passed is make sure that the lottery dollars that come back into your local community will be used for economic development and not other issues. So that's some of the things that are important on the jobs and reform agenda that we've passed so far. Things we will continue to push for, obviously, is PERS reform, to have anything from some of the 6% pickup or all of the 6% pickup. We will be looking at reform and asking employees to pay a little bit of their health insurance as employees in private sector businesses and other public sector businesses do. The one big, there's two other big things that we still have to do is the budget, finish the budget, and obviously finish redistricting. But I do want to tell you on the budget side, you can be very proud of your legislature. Not since April 18th of 1995 have we passed the education budget in the month of April. We did it. The governor has signed it. That's a big accomplishment. Schools can go out and make plans for next year, and that'll be a really good thing for predictability for our schools. We have some very difficult budgets ahead of us, the DHS budget and many other budgets that still need to be passed. But I think with the three co-chairs, the two Democrats and the Republican co-chair working together and having an agreement way up front that we are going to spend $14.67 billion, there will be a desire to work together and pass those budgets. And the last thing that I hope we will get done for the people of Oregon is the redistricting plan. It hasn't happened since the 1950s that the legislature was able to come together in a bipartisan way and redistrict. Every 10 years we have to do this and form new districts. I've been on the road for several weekends now on those committees, and if there's ever a chance with a 30-30 tie in the House and a 16-14 split in the Senate that we could pass a plan and the governor will sign it, it is this session. And I think that would be something that Oregonians could be very proud of. So with those things, we've got some hard lifting ahead of us. We've done some already, and I will keep you posted as we move forward and do some other things. But thanks for being here and listening today.